Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add background image to a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file and select this edit option. Now select background option and select here add background. Now select here file option and click this three dot option and upload your background image and add this one and select open. And this is absolute scale, that's this actual image size. Also you can make fit from this page, select this proportion of pages and see there also blank space. I'll make it 110 and see this there is a wave and already fit. Now you can change this background image opacity if you want. Also you can rotate it, you can rotate it custom 120 and see this. I not rotate this image and opacity also remains same. Now you can add all pages or custom pages. I'll add all pages and simply select apply and see this all of these pages background image now added. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.